All right, Peter Jello coming to you live here at the Wyndham in Fort Lauderdale. Are we in Pompano or Fort Lauderdale?
Pompano.
Where am I? Beautiful job. Big shout out to Beta Bay, Marcelo, Jeff, Jeremiah, the whole crew. You, excellent job. We came here and executed weather. A little bit of rain came in one day, but perfect traffic deck coating we did here on the materials. There was a quartz here that was picked by Tito, the man of the hour. Give him a shout out.
Tito, wave.
Give him a wave. Tito, give us a wave, Tito. All right. So that's what we're working with here. Picked a custom color of quartz and just beautiful job. Beautiful steps. We went over the tile. We did a skim coat over the tile here, and everything came out very well. Anyways, this is Peter Jello coming to you live, and your hotel entrance steps can be next. Over and out.